So I got bit by the real estate bug when I was a sophomore in college when I read Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Up to that point in my life, I was very focused on one career track, which was being an engineer, getting a college degree, then getting a job. Well, if you read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, you know that story. I started doing that, realized being an engineer was not for me, and going out there and having a job with a commute and working for 40 or 50 years just did not excite me. So I read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and of course I wanted to go out there and buy real estate. But being like a 20-year-old guy with a couple $1,000s in my savings account for my summer job, not lend itself to real estate. But it did start me down a path of entrepreneurship and wanting to learn about investing. So from there, I started some businesses and I built a good business. Then I got into stock market day trading. And then I got into foreign currency or Forex day trading. And what I realized through this was that the business I built and the day trading was not truly in that B or I quadrant like Rich Dad says. But it was if I wasn't working, I wasn't really making money. So then I wanted to get into building real wealth. And that's when I realized, you know what, I need to transition into real estate because it's very hard to make money in the stock market day trading. But I realized that if you go out there and spend time and energy in real estate, you can go out there and find deals and get above average market returns. Or if you know some local insider information, it's not illegal like it is in the stock market. So I realized real estate was where I wanted to put my active energy, my active attention onto building. Went completely past my other investments, jumped into starting a new business into real estate. So I did what most people did. I went out there and did a fix and flip. Made money, made like $20-some thousand, but realized that fix and flipping was not my cup of tea. Just did not enjoy it and realized that to scale that business was way too much work and not where I wanted to I couldn't imagine myself every day getting up and grinding at it and enjoying it. So then I had a great opportunity to help one of my previous clients who I've been a friend with, and it's a previous client from non-real estate, but a very successful flipper in Las Vegas, Nevada. And he's like the poster child of what people want to be. He does 50, 60 flips a year, has 40 or so rentals, wholesales out the deals he can't do. But all of his marketing, all of his lead gen came from direct mail, probate lawyer network, and realtor network, and he wanted to move into online marketing, which was my background. So I said, great. I will go help you do the online marketing, and I'm the variable because he's got everything else in place. And once I figure that, I will copy and paste it from Vegas and put it here in Denver. So it sounded really good on paper, did not work very well in reality. So I realized that going out there and doing that type of lead generation can be very fruitful and very successful, but it is probably the toughest business that I think you can do in real estate because you have to be very good at marketing, very good at sales, very good at responding to people within hours, walking the property and saying, great, let me write down my clipboard quick, I can offer you this, here's a contract, I'll drop you off money tomorrow, we'll close in 4 days. It is tough to do. It can be very beneficial, but very tough to do. And as I was doing all this, exploratory stuff into real estate investing, I realized that my focus and my passion is really on the rental side and that long-term wealth building side. And I wanted to prioritize that. My fear with the fix and flipping and the wholesaling was that those can be great cash cows, but they are still a business or a self-employed business. And I really wanted to build the assets so that way, hey, once I have a property, cash flow's coming in. I can have a property manager take care of it and do that longer term strategy. So that's where I stepped into becoming an investor-friendly real estate agent, having great success there, meeting some amazing mentors here in Denver. And as I was getting into that, then my college degree, which is in certified financial planning, and my passion for that long-term planning started coming out, and I was able to merge the two. And now we're at the Envision Advisors, where we help people go out there, find the properties with that long-term planning in place. So what I get to do is basically like the next step in almost my 20-year journey of me figuring out business, me figuring out wealth creation. I could do what I enjoy 7 days a week and do it for myself and help clients like you. So if you have any questions, don't be shy. I love getting into questions and answers, debates, and the nuances, because really in real estate investing, the devil's in the details. And that's what we get into, is we get into the spreadsheets. We peel back the onion and we make sure this property makes sense in helping you go out there and build your portfolio. So reach out to me. Love to sit down and talk to you.